You know what? This bag is full of yellow. Sobrang tagal ko nang hinahanap itong Clinkers dahil I think sa Australia pa to mabibili. But I got it! If this is pink, I'm gonna have to get my first tattoo ever. I don't know. Wala akong tattoo pa, guys. I don't know. Should I get one? Comment down below. If this is pink, I would sign up for a Pilates class. Oh! If this is pink, magpapakalbo na ako. No, I'm not gonna do that. No. hindi ko ako magpapakalbo, guys. I love my hair. If this is green, I'm gonna dye my hair. If this is pink, hindi mo na ako magda-diet tomorrow. Tomorrow. Should I eat KFC? Jollibee? McDo? If this is pink, I will stop the video na. If this is green, I'm going to buy BTS concerts VIP. If this is green, mag-a-absent ako tomorrow. Yellow na naman. This is pink. Bibili ako ng bagong laptop bag. This yellow, I will have to stop the video na. That's not. I'm gonna have to cheat. If this is yellow, you have to follow me, okay? Give me a follow. And tamis. Tamis siya, guys. Ooh. Anyway, I'm done eating sweets na. Sobrang tamis na.